Hey, welcome back. Before we start today's lesson, I have one question for you. Have you ever studied English grammar and you understood it perfectly, but then someone asked you a question and you completely froze? You knew the rule, but the words just wouldn't come out? If that sounds like you, don't worry, you are not alone. This happens to almost every English learner. The problem is not that you don't know grammar. The problem is that you've never practiced using it in a real conversation. And that is exactly what we are going to fix today. My name is Alex, and in this video, we are going to learn grammar the natural way through real dialogue. We'll listen, we'll break it down, and we'll practice together. Are you ready? Let's go. So Mia, I haven't seen you in a while. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm actually really busy these days. I'm studying for my English exam.
Oh wow, when is the exam?
It's next month. I usually study in the mornings, but this week I'm studying every day morning and evening.
That's great. Are you feeling more confident?
A little bit, but sometimes I still make mistakes when I speak.
That's totally normal. So tell me, what did you do last weekend? Did you take a break?
Yes, I did. I went to the park with my friend. We had a picnic. It was really nice.
That sounds lovely. Did you speak any English there?
Actually, yes. There was a tourist near us. He was lost, so I helped him. He asked me for directions and I explained how to get to the museum.
That's amazing. How did it feel?
A little nervous at first, but then it went well. I was so happy.
I love that. So, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my cousin. She lives in the city center. We're going to go shopping and maybe see a movie.
Fun. And what about your English study? Are you going to study this weekend too?
I think so. If I have time, I will do some reading practice, but I really want to relax too.
That's a great plan. You need balance. You can't study all the time.
I know. By the way, do you think I should focus more on grammar or speaking?
Honestly, both. But if you practice speaking more, your grammar will improve naturally. Like right now, you're speaking great.
Really? Thank you. I always get nervous about making mistakes.
Mistakes are how you learn. Every mistake is a step forward. Okay, did you notice the grammar we used in that conversation? Let's go back and look at it together. Okay, let's start with something Mia said. She said, I usually study in the mornings. And then she said, but this week I'm studying every day.
The first one is what she always does. And the second one is right now?
Exactly. Perfect. The first sentence uses present simple because it's her regular habit, something she does again and again. The second sentence uses present continuous because it's temporary. It's happening this week, not every week. A very common mistake is this. Wrong. I am study every day. Correct. I study every day. Wrong. This week I study all day. Correct. This week I'm studying all day.
Oh, so I'm studying means it's not permanent?
Yes, great way to think about it. If it's a habit or a fact, use present simple. If it's temporary or happening right now, use present continuous. Now let's look at what Mia said about her weekend. She said, I went to the park. We had a picnic. It was really nice. All past simple. Why? Because these things are finished. They happened last weekend and they are over.
Why didn't you say I am go to the park?
Good question. Because I am go doesn't exist in English, and the event is not happening now. It happened in the past. So we changed the verb. Listen to these. Go, went. Have, had. Be, was, were. See, saw. Help, helped. Feel, felt. Some verbs are irregular, like go becomes went. You just need to learn those, but most verbs just add ed.
Like helped. She said I helped him.
Exactly. Help is a regular verb. Help, helped. Easy. Now let's talk about the future. Mia said, I'm going to visit my cousin. We're going to go shopping. We use going to when we have a plan, something we decided before the moment of speaking. It's already in your head.
Can I say I will visit my cousin?
Yes, you can. But there's a small difference. Will is more for decisions you make right now in the moment. Going to is for plans you already made. Plan already decided gives, I'm going to visit my cousin this weekend. Decision right now, it's cold. I will close the window. Mia also said something really nice. She said, if I have time, I will do some reading practice. This is a first conditional. We use it when something is possible in the future. The structure is if plus present simple, will plus base verb. If I have time, I will study. If it rains, I will stay home. If she calls me, I will answer. Okay, before we finish, I want to say something important. Grammar is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Yes, grammar helps you. It helps people understand you. It makes you sound more confident, but you don't need to be perfect. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. What matters is that you keep trying, keep speaking, and keep practicing. Today, we looked at 5 grammar points in one natural conversation: present simple, present continuous, past simple, going to, and the first conditional. That's a lot, but did you notice? In the conversation, it all just flowed. It sounded natural, and that's what you're working towards. Every time you speak a little bit of English, even if you make a mistake, you are getting better. I promise you that. So here's my challenge for you today. Take one sentence from this video and say it out loud 3 times. Just one sentence. That's your homework. If you enjoyed this lesson, please click the subscribe button right now. It really helps the channel grow. And leave a comment below with your answer to one of the practice questions. I read every single comment.
And if this video helped you, share it with a friend who's learning English.
Great idea, Mia. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. You are doing amazing. Keep going, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.